Hero, play Broken Wing. And Hero starts to play quietly on a lyre a song that is familiar to anyone who was around for the Falconers Rebellion. It was played in taverns and halls and military tents early in that conflict when people were hopeful for the change that was being sought after in the Falconers Rebellion. And as Hero, my youngest, begins to play the main melody of that song, Hal harmonizes and plays around her on his. I taught her how to play. We've played for many years together.
Can you hear the falcon?